Yeah, that's awesome, Caiden. Is that fun? Yeah? Yeah, it's awesome. Yes, it is awesome. Mm-hmm. You like it? Here's some paint right here. There you go. Say, Mommy, I'm finger painting. Can you say that? Say, Mommy, I'm finger painting. You want to do another one? You want to do another one, Caiden? Here. You want blue? Here's some blue. Okay. What else you want? You want some red? 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 Okay. There's your red. Whoa, so pretty, Caiden. This blue? Want this blue? Okay. That's okay. You could get your hands dirty. Yeah. Yeah. Is that fun? You want more red? Red? Yeah, that's red. You like that, huh? It is pretty. What, this one? Red? This blue? Blue. Okay. Got blue. Red? 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 Red. That's red. Uh-huh. Oh, that is so cool. What are you doing now, huh? Are you making a design? Who you going to give that to? Mommy? Who you want to give that to? Mama? Mama? Okay. You want another one? Are you all done with this one? Blue? This blue? This blue? This is red. Red. You want red? You want blue? This blue. Blue. And this is blue too. That's blue. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's pretty, all right. You're done? Okay. Hold on a second.